Shooting your first wedding. From Susan Taylor Photography. Video 7. Preparation visit. To the Registry Office. If you've been asked to cover a Registry Office wedding, it's essential to make a visit there. As soon as you do, you begin to see the problems. Unfortunately, most registry offices are in the middle of towns, which often means problems with traffic, especially at weekends, and problems with parking. There's a car park right opposite the registry office in Oxford, but on most days, it looks like this. To avoid expensive city centre car parks, using an app like Just Park may be the answer. You may find that someone who lives near the registry office is happy to rent out the space on their drive for several hours at a reasonable cost. Just like your visits to your other working locations, your visit to the registry office will tell you your travelling times and distances, whether or not this is a suitable location for important photography, how you can handle wet weather conditions. Listen carefully to the registrar's description in the next video. Signing the register explained. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to ring the bell for notifications. Or if you find the video helpful, you could even buy me a coffee. Just use the links below.